Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you the unboxing of two Hedge trimmers. One is the HL94 and second one is the HS82R model. So here it is. See what we have in the box. We have one blade set, tools and the trimmer itself. Now let's see how we gonna assemble the trimmer. Just insert the blade set into this. There are two screws here. I will show you. Just put it like this and tight the screws. We have screws here in the toolbox set. We have here one belt. Just take this screwdriver and just tight the screws. There are two screws. Just tight it. Now we have handle to hold the trimmer. We have to just make sure that the handle and the trimmer are aligned with the trimmer. It's almost done. So the trimmer is now ready to work. There is another trimmer. We have the model number is HS82R. It's the latest trimmer available in the market. We have same a tool set with it. The trimmer is almost ready. This is the fuel tank of the trimmer. This is the tool set. This is the cover for blades. So look what we have in the tool set. There is a protection tool for the trimmer for the blades. It's just for the protection of the blades. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.